Air Jordans have become iconic in the sneaker industry, with some pairs fetching staggering prices. In February 2024, 6 pairs were auctioned off for a whopping $8 million. Just months earlier, in April 2023, an Air Jordan 13 was sold for $2.2 million. Their rapid sellout rate raises fascinating questions about the reasons for such high demand and why the NBA once banned these shoes. Interestingly, even during the challenging times of the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, when many businesses struggled, Air Jordans defied the odds by achieving nearly 20% growth. The secret to this success isn't just the shoe's quality, but also the powerful legacy built over years of strategic marketing. The story began in the 1980s when basketball footwear was dominated by brands like Adidas and Converse, which were favored by stars like Larry Bird and Magic Johnson. Enter Sonny Vaccaro, a forward-thinking marketer at Nike who saw immense potential in a young college player named Michael Jordan. In 1984, as Jordan was drafted into the NBA, Vaccaro took a significant gamble, advocating for Nike to sign him to a contract, despite Jordan being relatively unknown at the time. This decision required convincing Jordan, who was initially an Adidas fan and felt deserving of their attention. At that time, Adidas was facing challenges after the death of its founder, Adi Dassler, and they hesitated to invest in new talent. Conversely, Converse offered him a contract, but the lack of attention and focus on Jordan left him unimpressed. Finally, Nike presented Jordan with a unique opportunity. He could have substantial input on his shoes design, which excited him enough to sign the contract. Nike's investment came with high expectations. In his rookie season, Jordan needed to achieve one of 3 milestones: win Rookie of the Year, make the All-Star team, or average 20 points per game, or risk losing the contract. The pressure was on, and as the Air Jordan 1 was born, it represented a bold departure from traditional basketball shoes. With its striking black and red color scheme, it quickly caught the NBA's attention, leading to its ban for violating league uniform rules. Instead of crumbling under the ban, Nike turned the controversy into a marketing advantage. They encouraged Jordan to wear the banned shoes, knowing he would incur fines of $5,000 each game. This rebellious spirit captured the attention of fans and media alike, ensuring maximum publicity for the Air Jordans. Nike had initially aimed to generate $3 million in sales within 3 years, but within just 6 weeks, Air Jordan sales skyrocketed to $126 million. The success was fueled not just by Michael Jordan's stardom, but also by the innovative designs that appealed to a growing sneaker culture in America. The Air Jordan 2, while well-crafted, faced mixed reviews upon its launch, including from Jordan himself, who found it heavy and criticized its design. It wasn't until Tinker Hatfield joined the team and designed the Air Jordan 3 that everything changed. The Air Jordan 3 was lightweight, mid-top, and introduced the iconic Jumpman logo, captivating both Jordan and his fans. This successful collaboration cemented Nike's reputation and established Air Jordans as a must-have item. The brand's determination never to offer discounts further solidified its status. Customers investing in these sneakers felt confident that their purchase was worth every penny, knowing the resale value would likely appreciate over time. What do you think? Is spending lakhs on shoes truly worth it? Share your thoughts in the comments below.